Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why do I feel younger than I look? Aging is natural, but looking older than you are? That's often the result of a few sneaky habits we don't even realize we've picked up. And here's the thing, these habits might be aging you faster than time itself. The good news? Once you spot them, you can fix them, and it's never too late to turn things around. In today's video, we're going to reveal 6 ugly aging habits that might be making you look older than you really are, and exactly how to fix each one. So stick with me until the end, because the last habit is one of the most common and most overlooked. Habit 1. Neglecting your posture. Slouched shoulders, shuffling steps, a downcast gaze. These aren't just signs of age, they project age. Poor posture doesn't just make you look older, it makes you seem tired, less confident, and even more fragile. Fix it. Start practicing posture awareness daily. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head upward. Incorporate light stretching, yoga, or posture-correcting exercises. Not only will you look taller and more energized, but people will instantly see you as more capable and self-assured. Habit 2. Outdated or ill-fitting clothing. Wearing the same old faded clothes from decades ago? Or maybe oversized clothes that hide your shape. Unfortunately, that's a fast track to looking decades older. Fix it. You don't need to follow the latest fashion trends, but clean, well-fitting, modern basics can refresh your entire look. A crisp button-down, a fitted jacket, or a stylish pair of shoes can instantly update your appearance and help you feel more confident. Habit 3. Ignoring skincare. Dry, flaky skin, dull tone, unkempt facial hair. Many people stop caring for their skin as they age, but it shows. Fix it. You don't need a 10-step skincare routine. A simple moisturizer, lip balm, and regular sunscreen use can make a huge difference. If you wear facial hair, keep it neatly trimmed. Looking fresh isn't about vanity, it's about vitality. Habit 4. Speaking too loudly or interrupting others. This one's tricky, often caused by subtle hearing loss. It can make conversations uncomfortable without you realizing it. People may back away, lose interest, or avoid long chats altogether. Fix it. Pay attention to social cues. Are people leaning back or stepping away? It may be time for a hearing check. Also, practice pausing, listening fully, and letting others speak. Clear, calm communication always leaves a better impression than overpowering volume. Habit 5. Constant complaining or criticizing. Whether it's grumbling about kids these days or how things used to be better, constant negativity drains your presence and ages your spirit. Fix it. Make a habit of gratitude. For every criticism, offer a compliment or a positive comment. Lightheartedness and curiosity keep you mentally young, and people love being around those who lift them up. Habit 6. Poor hygiene or body odor. It's uncomfortable to talk about, but people do notice. Dry mouth, body odor, or stale clothes can silently age you and push others away. Fix it. Stay hydrated, brush regularly, and consider switching to alcohol-free mouthwash. Shower consistently, wear clean clothes, and rotate your deodorants if needed. These small steps make a big impact on how fresh and youthful you appear and how closely others want to stand next to you. Now that you know the 6 habits that could be adding years to your appearance, here's your challenge. Pick one habit to change this week. Just one. Because aging doesn't have to mean fading away, it can mean stepping into a wiser, sharper, and more confident version of yourself. You've got the power to age with intention, and it starts with awareness. If this video opened your eyes, give it a thumbs up and comment below with the habit you're ready to fix. And if you want more tips to live better, feel better, and age well, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're not just growing older, you're growing stronger. See you in the next one.